Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another wig review. This one is part of my affordable wig series, and today I'm rocking Neesha by Outre, and this one is a lace L parting wig in the color 1, and it's this fabulous blown out kinky straight textured synthetic wig. If you want more of a kinkier, natural look as opposed to, the silkier textured wigs, this one's definitely for you. Yeah, it's just really pretty. I watched a ton of reviews on this one and I was like, I have to try this one as well, and I'm glad that I got it. As you can see, it's got like some little flips in the hair along the front. The bottom of it is straight though. I would have liked if maybe they had bumped the ends as well, but it's great as it is nonetheless. Now this one is an L parting wig, so as you can see the parting does curve a little bit, and unlike the other L part wigs that I have, this one cap wise it's a really good size. I feel like this is big head friendly because under my wig I don't have my hair cornrowed. I've just got 2 plaits. The cap fit really nice. It's nice and snug, but it's not too tight. And also how I can tell the difference is I don't feel like the cap is shifting like the 2 other L part wigs I have. I felt like those caps were small, so if your hair isn't cornrowed underneath, it's not going to work. And because there was an instance where I didn't have my hair cornrowed, the cap kept on sliding back. But yeah, I don't have that issue with this one. Like the cap is sitting right on my hairline, so yeah, it blends a lot nicer as well with my hairline. In terms of shedding, I definitely have been getting some shedding just while I've been putting it on. Actually quite a bit of shedding. So just keep that in mind. As we all know, they are synthetic. So yeah, that's expected. And this wig also came in some really nice colors, like some ombre type colors as well. I might get one of those later on, but me, I love my jet black hair. So yeah, I don't have much else to say about this wig. For all my natural girls, my natural ladies, like I said, if you want something more textured, this is a great wig. Honestly, this wig rivals any of my actual kinky straight virgin hair units. In terms of the fullness, the texture, yeah, no one can tell you that this is not like proper human hair. It definitely doesn't look synthetic. The luster is perfect, definitely got that textured feel as well to it, which is what a lot of us love about kinky straight hair. The wig is really nice and full. The back looks like this. Honestly, they got this wig right. So guys, this is definitely a winner for me. I absolutely love it. All right, so let's just keep moving on, and I'm just going to show you how I put the wig on. It was super easy as always. But before I do that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. Also click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. And also thumbs up this video if you like it. I've got plenty more wigs to show you. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.